Say there are many forces in the universe. There are many forces in the universe, and people are focused on Ifa. Ifa is just like a cup of water drawn out of the mighty ocean. It's just negligible. There are many forces in the universe and many powers. Even if I cannot mention their name, it is forbidden. Those powers, those forces, those irumole that we dare not mention their name, these are the irumole I am working with presently. That is why it's easier for me to develop sacrifices. Some sacrifices I'm doing now, even me, I dey fear. They are not blood sacrifices and they don't involve. You cannot even imagine. Look at the one I gave to you. It's as simple. Who can ever think of that? But yet, they are all drawn from Atala's energy. This is what the world is talking about, and I'm telling people to look beyond what they know.